2 days ago, Google released the most powerful AI model, Gemini 3 Pro, that has great and amazing outputs. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how we can use this amazing model to work and make money online professionally. Thus here, first of all, just head over to Google and look for Google AI Studio and go to the first result here, Google AI Studio. Then you land on this amazing website here, Google AI Studio. For sure, most of you know this amazing website branch of Google. It contains amazing and stunning AI tools like convert your image to VO3 videos. You can generate high quality voiceover and so on. And of course, I just talked about this amazing tool before. You can find this video down below in the description box in the first comment. And here regarding talking about this amazing model Gemini 3 Pro and this amazing Nano Pana Pro. Gemini 3 Pro preview just our most intelligent model here, and understand multi-model understanding. Here it analyzes different and multitasked process in single prompt, could analyze text and images, videos at the same time. So here you can use this one Gemini 3 Pro. And regarding and speaking on Nano Pana Pro, it's more intelligent than a Nano Pana in Gemini. It gives you amazing results here with understood and readable text. For example, here if you want to try this amazing tool here on Nano Pana, unfortunately here it just allowed for paid users here. So to try this amazing tool here, Nano Pana Pro on Google AI Studio, you've got to purchase API key to access this one. And here you can generate high quality presentations, YouTube thumbnails, posters, and so on and so forth, as you see. Or you can use Nano Pana Pro in a limited usage using Gemini Google. Here you can actually activate this one from this thinking, okay, thinking with 3 Pro. Then insert this prompt, for example, like words written in English on a glass surface moistened by steam, and this name Riemann Sapri. So here you can find this amazing result just in few seconds. But for sure, it's in free trial here in Nano Pro. So if you go back to Google AI Studio, Gemini 3 Pro preview here, you can actually, in its latest update, you can actually upload any video from your device. You can upload any book, research, ebooks or something to discuss about it. Like you can actually summarize it, you can convert it to blog post, you can convert it to story or something like that. Here if you just upload a video, for example, or a movie film, here you can ask it this amazing model to just give you the timestamps, exactly the start point where the fight scene starts or something like that. Here it would just deep thinking and deep insight into your content that you have actually used. So for example, here just to use this amazing model here by actually upload a book or this amazing one, Atomic Habits, and just ask it to give me a story that delivers the content of the book for 10 years old child. And for sure, just in a few minutes, give me this amazing one, as you see. A story that you can use later on, like on a content on YouTube video, channel, short on TikTok, Pinterest, Instagram, and so on. That delivers the same content and the same meaningful words to beautiful and understandable content story for kids, as you see. And not only that, here if you go to this amazing AI Google Studio, here in this plus icon here you can upload anything you want, like from your device, or from your drive. Record your audio, camera, YouTube video here. Enables you to insert here your YouTube video, and just decide and set the start time and end the time, minutes and seconds, using this frames per second, and save. So for example, here if you just want to get and grasp ideas and real lessons from a specific video on YouTube, if it's a podcast or a long lecture or something, here you can get what you want exactly from this amazing tool. And of course, I just tried this one in my own video here on YouTube, talking about this amazing track from Google to create amazing Pinterest pins. So you've got to check out this amazing video. You can find this video down below in the description box in the first comment. Anyway, Here I asked this tool using this my YouTube video how many times the word Pinterest in this video and craft a blog post about the content of the video in a casual tone. And just in few minutes it gives me this one. The word Pinterest appears 32 times. And then it gives me this amazing blog post in a casual tone. Stop designing pins manually, build your own AI Pinterest generator for free as you see. Amazing blog post from this video and from this content. Only that, here if you go already to this homepage and go to this amazing left panel, here you can go to build section. Here you can create your own application or AI tool to solve your problem or to use in your project as you want. And of course here you can find a plethora of these galleries of these apps here. To check out one of these you can use in your work. Okay, perfect. But you can actually use this amazing tool to start to build your own idea and your thought to work for you. And of course just to use this amazing model to create my app for generating Pinterest pins, like this one, Gemini Vision Editor. Here it could be like this one. Here I just feed this amazing tool just by image or a URL to pin. Here I can convert any web page or any article to amazing Pinterest pin or just an image. So let's try it simply and quickly by starting with the image editor. Here upload an image, any image, just abstract image from your device, like this one for example. Like this one is a happy cat. It's only simple one. Then you can describe your edit or make your Pinterest pin. So simply and quickly I just add something like convert to a Pinterest style pin with its title and generate your edit. And just in few seconds here you can find an amazing result from this amazing application. This one, so now full screen, and this one, the happiest kitten, cutest smile ever, as you see. Amazing result from this simple and original image. So what's about just trying URL to pin? Here I can insert here a blog post and convert it to Pinterest pin. So I can go to Google and look for something like some articles talking about how to avoid overthinking. So I can take one of them quickly, like this one, how to stop overthinking. Randomly copy link address and then go again to my tool, insert here this URL, and as for pin style preferences I can set it the professional business style quickly and generate your pin. And just in few seconds here you can find an awesome Pinterest pin. How to stop overthinking with help from metacognitive strategies, as you see. Amazing and understanding Pinterest pin about this amazing blog post and this specific topic. So here right now you can try and use this amazing tool, Google AI Studio, just to actually analyze your ebooks, your books, or any paper text or videos, YouTube videos, or anything you want. Or of course you can actually use Nano Banana Pro on Google Gemini, and it's a free trial to take the benefit of it in your work and make one online. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.